Okay, well, trade recap. It's another L. Anyway, to the charts. So yeah. So we either get tap in, drop down below. Basically, what I was looking for is, well, I don't want to trade through the zone. We broke the lows, as you can see, so we were bearish. And I had a London zone, Asia high. And we were also rejecting, well, yeah, gonna be rejecting the previous weekly high, so sounded great for shorts. What happened was open, boom, tapped into the zone, and it completely flipped. Huge bearish volume. Then I entered right here, 80 pip stop loss. It's targeting London low. This London low, as you can see, a couple candles, and then bearish, and then bullish volume kicked in, hacked me out. And that's the story of that trade. We have flipped bullish again as it's broken this high, and yeah, could potentially looking for trades off this zone. But anyway, we are now trading above the 191 psychological level. Fat L. Oh well, we move on, right? That's the plan, and I executed the plan just that. So nothing wrong with it, guys. All right, peace.